Problem 37. Half-ass is the angle between the ladder and the ground changing in example 3 when the bottom of the ladder is 6 feet from the wall. Example 3 says a ladder 10 feet long rests against a vertical wall. If the bottom of the ladder slides away from the wall at a rate of 1 foot per second, half-ass is the top of the ladder sliding down the wall when the bottom of the ladder is 6 feet from the wall. So this is our angle, and we're going to make a list of our given values. So C is equal to 10, X is equal to 6, and using a 3, 4, 5 right triangle, we know that Y is equal to 8, and these are all in feet. Dx dt is equal to 1 foot per second, and we want to find the rate that the angle is changing with respect to time. We can use cosine of the angle is equal to x over 10 and take the derivative of it with respect to time. That gets us negative sine of the angle times the angle dt is equal to 1/10 times dx dt. Divide negative sine over, the angle dt is equal to negative dx dt over 10 sine of the angle. To find sine of the angle is 8 over 10, which simplifies to 4/5, and we plug in our values to get the angle dt is equal to negative 1 over 10 times 4/5, 40 over 5 is 8. And since it's an angle, our unit is going to be in radians per second. So the rate at which the angle between the ladder and the ground is changing is negative 1/8 radian per second. Or you could say the angle between the ladder and the ground is decreasing at a rate of 1/8 radian per second.